Oh, hey Rachel, how you doing? Okay, so this is great. Good job describing your intent as a designer. Very, very important to do. And you're going to hear me say that till the last day of class, and how important it is for you to be able to communicate your intent as a designer. So this is fantastic. Keep it up. Keep it up. And your other classes too. Always give a good, nice written rationale. Whenever presenting anything as a designer to really to express your ideas and your thought process behind the work. And that's something that will follow you through your whole career. So it's a great job to cultivate that skill now, right? All right, let's go ahead and jump over. I've got the JPEG up here. I want to get this in the window, which means I'm going to have to reduce it just a little bit. And let me get that out of there so we don't have that. All right, okay, that seems like it's going to work. There's the JPEG. Excellent. All right, it's a good ad. It is. I think that at first I thought, wow, it's really cluttered. But the more I look at it, I'm okay with it. I'm a minimalist as a designer, but I think this works. I think it's really an interesting ad, and I'm perfectly fine with it. You're showing outstanding proficiency in your adjustments. Each of these images is gorgeous in and of itself. Really nice job with the masked image. Good tonal and color distribution. Background image looks fantastic. Type is set beautifully. Images placed, logos placed beautifully. Images are placed beautifully. All is well. Fantastic. A really nice color palette in this ad too. Really good work. Nice way. Good job. Continuing the color from romantic into the banner across the page. It's good. It's good stuff. Really good stuff. I don't really have any suggestions. I mean, I think everything is working beautifully. Okay, I lied. I do have one suggestion. Right down here is kind of bugging me a little bit because I think this is just a little bit too cluttered. What I would recommend is this. Let's go ahead and take this address and maybe turn it into 3 lines instead of just 2. But I want to get that address placed right here and have it left aligned. Then what I want to do is I want to take the logo and place it down here. Why is that important, you ask? The logo in the lower right-hand corner, I think, is a great place to place a logo in a magazine ad because as we read a composition, our viewer, we know something about our viewer. We know they're going to start up here, if it's in the Western world anyway. They're going to start up here. We start on the upper left-hand corner. We move right and down, right? Which means exit strategy is right here. Placing the branding logo where the viewer is going to leave the page is a great way to reinforce the branding of your client. So I think it's a beautiful place for placement. So that's what I would recommend. That whole configuration is going to take up the bottom of the ad, something like that. And I think it's really going to, you may have to take this series of images and move it up just a few pixels. But I really think that's going to improve the general mechanics of the bottom of the page, organization, and create a more unique visual harmony. And those are my recommendations. Try it. I think you're going to like it. I think it's really going to improve the page mechanics. So I would like to see those changes made. If you want to do it now and resubmit, that's fantastic. If you would rather wait and submit towards the end of the session when we're going to submit our when we're going to submit the final work, I think that would be fine too. But like I said, at one point I'd like to see those changes being made before the end of the class to your magazine ad. Okay. All right. Great job. Questions at all? Please let me know. Thank you.